So one of the things that you can do in AnyDesk is go ahead and record screen with it as well. So to do that, you can actually go around over here and click on Start Recording button, and then whatever you do now gets recorded right here. So if I were to right click and do anything, you can see that this is what you have. On the go, you can even pause the recording or resume the recording, and mute the microphone. So if you don't want to record anything from your microphone, and even mute your system speaker so that whatever system produces, it'll be muted. You can see that I can also select a screen to record right here if I have multiple displays right here. Let me just go ahead and click on stop, and you can see the recording right here. You can see that I already had done other recording as well, and this one as well. If I were to play the screen recording, then whatever you do now gets recorded right here. So if I were to right click and do anything, so you can see that this is the recording that I have right here. So AnyDesk can also be used as a screen recorder. So if I were to actually go around over here on to open screen recordings, then you'll be able to see the details of the screen recording as well, just like this. And it's by default saved inside of the AnyDesk folder itself. So that is how you can go ahead and record out screen as you want inside of AnyDesk. And you can even go ahead and mute the microphone and mute the speaker audio and choose the screen before you even start recording as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.